I'm David from ZeroNox, and today I'm going to show you how to change the polycarbonated sheet on your Tuatara door. You're going to need these tools. You'll need your caulking gun, Dynaflex DAP, a window, door, siding trim. Make sure and get this specific kind. 1-inch tape, razor blade, needle nose pliers, and your 3-in-1 caulking tool, and a bucket of water. Right. The first thing you're going to do to replace the polycarbonate in your Tuatara door is to remove these. Right here, these bolts. We're going to take the needle nose pliers, put them in the holes to turn it. Then you're going to take these off, these hinges, these 2 bolts under here. And then you come to the door handle and remove these 3 bolts underneath. And then we're going to take and remove the weather stripping. The next step would be to take your 3-in-1 and you're going to scribe the caulking like this, all the way around it, to remove as much as you can. And you take your razor blade and you'll start to scribe it, getting underneath this window to remove that seal, all the way around it. Okay, the next step will be to flip over the door and remove as much as you can until this window pops out. It can be a pain, but you'll just have to remove it until you can push it out of there. After removing the window, you're going to get your new piece of polycarbonate. You're going to remove the protective film from both sides, replace all your hardware, the opposite of the way you took it off, and then the next step, we're going to install the window. Okay, so after you put your hardware on, remove the film and all that, you're going to take your window and you're going to set it in there. Make sure it's good and set in there. And you're going to take your tape and you're going to tape it off about an 1/8 inch away, all the way around it. A nice straight line. Then you're going to want to take your caulking and start putting a little bead all the way around the window. So after you have your window fully prepped, we're going to install it. And push it in there. Then you're going to want to take your rag. You want to clean up all the excess, just a little bit. Just to get it clean for the next step. You put your window in and you have all your caulking in. You're going to take your caulking gun and you're going to put a small bead all the way around it. And then you take your finger, smooth it off. And the trick is to make sure you take this tape off immediately. Got a nice straight edge. If you don't and the caulking dries, then when you pull this tape, the caulking will come right out. Okay, after you're done with the front and you have the caulking completely finished, you need to let it dry for like 2 to 3 hours, and then you can flip it over and start with the back. It's pretty much the same concept, just put a bigger bead of caulking. And then wipe it. And then remove the tape. So you have a clean edge like that. And that's how you change the polycarbonate sheet on your Tuatara door.